All right, charges against 5 family members accused of sexually abusing young relatives have been dropped.
Now, the alleged victims of Burl Moeller Sr. and his sons claimed a pattern of what they called sick sexual abuse that went on for years. Jake Peterson has the latest developments tonight. Jake?
Well, Mark, today Lafayette County Prosecutor Kelly Wingate Campbell said her decision wasn't based on if she thought they were guilty. Rather, she wasn't sure she could prove the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. I talked to lawyers on both sides tonight.
The trials for the men were supposed to begin by this summer. Defense attorney Kim Benjamin says her team was about to get health records that would prove the allegations bogus, but charges were dropped before that happened.
My intuition tells me it's because the records would show that they showed exactly what we thought they would.
Which is this. She says the accusers were taken to the doctor often during childhood, and physical exams never showed abuse. Also, at least 2 of the alleged victims were in contact with an energy healer, someone who finds repressed thoughts.
Memories coming back, things that you have forgotten that happened to you, whether you were 10 or 1. And so we were confident that we were going to find records that showed that that was what was happening here.
Benjamin discredits the work of the energy healer.
My clients are devastated that this particular case isn't going forward.
Rebecca Randalls is the civil attorney for some of the alleged victims. She says the accusers came forward to protect others.
They believe that this is a setback to other victims who are trying to come through the system and trying to come forward and trying to explain the crimes against them when they were children.
Randall says the accusers don't feel safe with the suspects out of jail. Benjamin says her client, Burrell Sr., is ready to move on.
That's right.
And we were able to reach a cousin of the defendants, and he told 41 Action News that if the information is true, that all charges have been dropped. We're obviously overjoyed. Praise the Lord. Now, the survivor network of those abused by priests or just SNAP responded by saying it's scary to think about these sick men walking free and perhaps wounding others. Jake Peterson, 41 Action News.